Hi, in this video I will show you a powerful lead collection tool which is a Chrome extension. So let me tell you how you can install it and then use it to generate leads. So first of all, go to this Chrome slash colon double slash extension. We suppose you have already downloaded or purchased this tool, which is a Chrome extension in a zip file. Once you receive the zip file, just extract it somewhere in your PC and then click here on load unpacked, and then go to the place where you have extracted this tool. For example, in my case it's here. I will select this folder and you can see it has been installed successfully. Leads collect is here in your Chrome extension. So now simply you have to go to the Google Maps. Here you have to write down your own query. For example, what kinds of leads you are looking for. So for example, I'm looking for container hire and sale companies in Australia. Okay, for example, this is my query. If I press enter here, you can see the pop-up has been shown from the our tool, which is a Chrome extension. If I press off this button, the start button, now you can see it is automatically extracting leads from this Google Maps page about these businesses, and you can see it's just taking a few couple of seconds and doing everything, processing in the back end, like scroll down and all the other stuff. So just give it a few moments. So it's keep going on. So far 60 leads have been collected. So once it will collect all the leads from this page, it will get their business names, their rating, their emails, phone numbers, websites, all that stuff which is publicly available here. So it has just reached the end of page almost. So now there you will see another button which is called export list. If you click here, it will download all the data of the leads which we have generated in the Excel file. Now you can simply open this, and here you have the data of your leads. It has given us business names, their category, their reviews and rating on Google, number of reviews, their address, their websites, phone number and emails. So it has given us like 120 leads. Isn't it cool? So if you guys are interested in this tool, I will uh, give a link in the description as well as comment. I will pin the download link for you, where you can simply get this tool. Thank you very much.